let's talk about pressure without ground standing and avoid questions like why didn't you fix it earlier? Incidents like Indore and Mau wing commanders suggest systemic failures. What is it that the Congress is demanding from the ruling dispensation right now? And how are you looking at these developments? I mean, collectively, party or no party, all of our heads should hang in shame.
Absolutely. Good evening to you and the panelists. I was surprised that the person was talking about should not do politics. That means since nobody from our home is affected, we should keep quiet. We should allow government to take their own course of action. We should wait until they do it. And even if they don't do it, we should not even bring it to the notice of people. Wow, it's so beautiful. This kind of civic collapse survives only in India because authorities think that they can get away with anything. A republic that cannot give safe water is not developed. It's a failed civic system. I don't know. This BJP government always builds big buildings, wide roads, but ignores the basic drainage system. And that is the root cause of this civic failure. If clean water cannot be ensured, then what right does this government has to govern? And this is a repeated failure. Everybody can see there is a absolute collapse, there is an absolute, and everything has to be washed away. We got to say only the administration is responsible for that. And why not the mayor of Indore or the or Mau? Why they are not responsible? Are they only to secure votes and get away with their responsibilities? Actually, when the BJP governments are there, nobody fixes any responsibility. Nothing happens to anyone. We can see the example of Kailash Vijayvargi right in front of us. The Indore mayor, I think some Bhargav his name is, they are also talking, giving sermons, but no action has been taken and it is a repeated failure. I don't know. Are we going to be awakened
All right.
only our family members are affected? It is shameful when we say that it should not be politicized. Nobody is politicizing it. We are only asking the question government to give answers and to do whatever they have done. It should not be repeated. And that repeated failure clearly says that their BJP doesn't know how to govern. BJP doesn't have any good governance. BJP doesn't even know how to do a basics of the governance. They can't even provide clean water, clean air. That and
Okay.
especially
All right.
for the
We got your opening statement, Wing Commander. Pertinent points that you've raised over there. Some credible questions as well. I saw some of those on social media as well.